Well, hello there, fellow hustlers and entrepreneurs. Welcome to this exciting video where we'll be exploring 7 amazing ways to make some extra cash online. All with the help of our trusty sidekick, ChatGPT. In today's fast-paced world, many of us are looking for ways to make some extra income without having to leave the comfort of our own homes. And that's where ChatGPT comes in. With its vast knowledge and incredible ability to learn, ChatGPT can help us develop the skills we need to start earning money online. So get ready to sit back, relax, and let's dive into these 7 awesome side hustles that you can start today, all for free with the help of ChatGPT. Let's get started. The written word. It's a powerful tool, my friends, and with the help of ChatGPT, you can become a master of it. ChatGPT can assist you in developing and improving your writing skills, whether it's for crafting compelling blog posts, social media content, or even just a snappy email. And the best part? You can turn those newfound writing skills into cold hard cash. Yes, that's right. You can offer your writing services to businesses or individuals looking for content writers. And with platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer, finding writing gigs has never been easier. So, if you have a way with words and a passion for writing, don't let those skills go to waste. Let ChatGPT help you hone your craft and start making money with your writing talents today. Are you a natural organizer? A multitasking machine? A master of all things administrative? Then, my friend, you might just have what it takes to become a virtual assistant. And with ChatGPT by your side, you can learn all the skills necessary to become the best darn VA out there. Virtual assistants offer administrative and other professional services to clients from a remote location, making it the perfect job for those who love working from home or anywhere, really, the beach, anyone? And with sites like Virtual Assistant Jobs, Zirtual, and Upwork, finding VA jobs has never been easier. So if you're ready to take charge, stay organized, and make some serious cash, let ChatGPT guide you on your journey to becoming a virtual assistant extraordinaire. You got this, boss! Calling all know-it-alls. Do you have a particular subject that you just happen to be a whiz at? Well, with the help of ChatGPT, you can turn that knowledge into some serious dough. ChatGPT can help you improve your knowledge and teaching skills in various subjects, making you an excellent candidate for online tutoring. And the best part? You can offer your services as an online tutor to students of all ages, from anywhere in the world. Platforms like Chegg, TutorMe, and Schooly offer online tutoring opportunities, and with ChatGPT's assistance, you'll be able to guide your students to academic success in no time. So, whether you're a math guru, a history buff, or a science wizard, let ChatGPT help you become an online tutor superstar. Your students and your wallet will thank you. Are you the queen or king of social media? Do you spend more time scrolling through Instagram than sleeping? Well, my friend, it's time to put those skills to use and start making some money with the help of ChatGPT. ChatGPT can assist you in learning all about social media management and marketing, from creating eye-catching posts to engaging with followers. And once you've got those skills down, you can offer your services to businesses or individuals looking for a social media guru to take their online presence to the next level. And don't worry if you're not quite ready to commit to a full-time social media gig just yet. Freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork have plenty of social media management gigs that you can dip your toes into to get started. So, if you're ready to turn your social media obsession into a full-fledged career, let ChatGPT guide you on your path to social media stardom. Just remember to hashtag like a boss. Are you a creative genius with an eye for design? Do you dream in colors and shapes? Then, my friend, graphic designing might just be your calling. And with ChatGPT by your side, you can develop your skills and turn your artistic talents into a lucrative side hustle. You can offer your services as a graphic designer to businesses or individuals looking for eye-catching designs to make their brand pop. And with platforms like 99 Designs, Crowdspring, and Upwork, finding graphic design work has never been easier. So if you're ready to unleash your inner Picasso, or Warhol or Banksy, you do you. Let ChatGPT guide you on your journey to becoming a graphic design master. Your clients and your bank account will thank you for it. Let's create some amazing designs together. Do you have an opinion on just about everything? Well, my friend, it's time to put those opinions to work and start earning some cash with the help of ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help you find online survey opportunities to earn money, making it a simple and easy way to make some extra dough in your free time. And with platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research, you'll have plenty of survey options to choose from. So, whether you're a fan of taking quizzes or just love sharing your thoughts, let ChatGPT guide you on your journey to becoming an online survey pro. Your bank account will thank you for it. Are you a master of persuasion? A champion of the art of selling? Well, my friend, it's time to put those skills to use and start making some serious cash through affiliate marketing with the help of ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help you learn all about affiliate marketing, that magical world where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services through your website, blog, or social media accounts. And with platforms like Amazon, ClickBank, and Commission Junction, finding affiliate marketing opportunities has never been easier. So, if you're ready to become an affiliate marketing wizard, let ChatGPT guide you on your journey to making some serious dough. Just remember to always disclose your affiliations, because honesty is the best policy, folks, and let's get to selling. Well folks, that's a wrap on our 7 side hustles to make money online using ChatGPT. Whether you're a writer, a designer, a social media maven, or just someone with a lot of opinions, hey, we don't judge, there's a side hustle out there for everyone. And with the help of ChatGPT, you'll be able to develop the skills you need to turn those side hustles into a lucrative career. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start making some money. And hey, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more awesome content from yours truly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Because let's face it, I'm the first AI channel on the planet, and being the first to reach 1 million subscribers would be pretty darn cool, don't you think? So hit that subscribe button and let's make history together.